Are you planning to move in or out of South Dakota? Let's dive into the top-rated, cheap moving services in South Dakota. Moving can be overwhelming, but with 3 movers, it doesn't have to be. Whether you're relocating to Sioux Falls, Rapid City, or beyond, our team is here to help you every step of the way. First and foremost, affordability is key. At 3 Movers, we understand that moving can be costly. That's why we offer budget-friendly solutions for both local and long-distance moves. We provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect when it's time to move. From the Black Hills to Mount Rushmore, whether you're moving across the state or the country, our rates are designed to fit your budget. For long-distance moves, we provide reliable transportation, and we'll ensure your belongings are safely packed, loaded, and delivered on time. We also offer tracking, so you can keep tabs on your stuff every step of the way. We don't just move boxes. Our team handles all types of items, from fragile antiques to heavy furniture and electronics. Need help with special packing and crating? We've got that covered too. Need to move urgently? With 3 Movers same-day moving services, we're here to help even with last-minute moves. Our team is trained for fast action without compromising on care or professionalism. Need storage while transitioning between homes? 3 Movers offers top-tier storage services across South Dakota. We'll make sure your belongings are safe and secure until you're ready for them. And for those looking to transport their vehicles, we offer affordable auto transport services to ensure your car reaches your new home without hassle. Trust and transparency are key when choosing a moving company. At 3 Movers, we offer flat rate and hourly moving services, and we're upfront about pricing. You won't be hit with surprise fees at the end of your move. Get in touch with us for a free, no-obligation quote and experience the best service in South Dakota moving.